Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete scheduled posts in Buffer in 2026. If you've scheduled a post by mistake, need to update your content, or simply want to remove an upcoming post from your publishing queue, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've selected the social media account where the scheduled post is located. Next, click on the Queue, Calendar, or Publishing section, depending on how your Buffer dashboard is organized. Here you'll see all of your upcoming scheduled posts. Now browse through the list or calendar and locate the post that you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one, especially if you have multiple posts scheduled for the same day. Next, click on the scheduled post to open its details. This will allow you to review the caption, media, publishing date, and connected social media accounts before making any changes. Now look for the delete, remove, or trash icon. Click on it to begin removing the scheduled post from your queue. Next, Buffer may display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. Click Confirm to continue. Once confirmed, the post will be permanently removed from your publishing schedule. Now return to your calendar or queue and make sure the post is no longer listed. If needed, you can create a new version of the post and schedule it for a different date or time. Finally, review your remaining scheduled posts to ensure your content calendar is still organized and ready for automatic publishing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete scheduled posts in Buffer step by step. You can now keep your publishing queue organized and update your content whenever needed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.